Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams front and rear in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams front and rear in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Asdom PG17 Pro Mirror Dash Cam, Front and Rear. Experience next-level driving security with the Asdom PG17 Pro Mirror Dash Cam, featuring the advanced Sony IMX678 sensor and STARVIS 2 rear camera for ultra-clear night vision. This 4K front and 2.5K rear-view mirror camera captures every detail with exceptional clarity, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it allows lightning-fast file transfers and real-time preview via the AZDOME app. The OTA, over-the-air, upgrade feature keeps your device up to date without manual firmware installations. The intelligent timeline playback makes reviewing footage seamless, while the wide 11-inch IPS touchscreen delivers intuitive control and vivid visuals. With loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and parking monitoring, it's a complete dash cam system built for safety and convenience. The sleek mirror design integrates perfectly with your vehicle, enhancing both function and aesthetics. Whether for daily commutes or long road trips, the Asdom PG17 Pro ensures you never miss a moment on the road. Number 2. Asdom PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam. Experience next-level driving safety and convenience with the Asdom PG17 Max Mirror Dash Cam, featuring stunning 4K front plus 2.5K rear video resolution. This 12-inch full-touch rearview mirror camera delivers ultra-clear footage day and night, enhancing visibility with a wide field of view. Equipped with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, blind spot detection, BSD, and lane change assistance, LCA, it offers real-time alerts to improve road safety and awareness. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast video downloads and smooth live previews via the AZDOME app, while voice control allows hands-free operation for safer driving. The waterproof rear camera functions flawlessly in all weather, doubling as a backup camera for easy reversing. With loop recording, G-sensor collision lock, and parking monitoring, your vehicle is protected 24/7. Sleek, smart, and powerful, the PG17 Max redefines the mirror dash cam with intelligent features designed to protect and assist you on every journey. Perfect for tech-savvy drivers who value both performance and safety. Number 3. Experience next-level driving safety and convenience with the Asdom PG17 12-inch 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This high-performance rearview mirror camera features an ultra-clear 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, delivering crisp and detailed video for both day and night driving. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen offers a wide viewing angle and intuitive controls, seamlessly replacing your traditional rearview mirror. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6, the PG17 ensures fast and stable wireless connectivity for quick video downloads and real-time previews via the AZDOME app. The built-in voice control allows hands-free operation. Just say commands like turn on screen or lock video without taking your hands off the wheel. The included 64GB SD card ensures ample storage, while loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and parking monitoring provide continuous protection on and off the road. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the Asdom PG17 Mirror Dash Cam is your reliable co-pilot, offering safety, clarity, and smart technology in one sleek design. Number 4. Experience smarter and safer driving with the Pyle P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This advanced 12-inch rearview mirror camera transforms your driving experience with cutting-edge features like ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, and BSD, blind spot detection, for enhanced road awareness and collision prevention. Capture every detail with stunning 2160p 4K Ultra HD front and rear recording, ensuring crystal-clear footage day or night. The ultra-wide display gives you a seamless live view of the road, while the voice control feature allows hands-free operation for added convenience and safety. The P12 Pro is more than just a dash cam, it's your smart driving assistant, helping you stay alert and protected with lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and blind spot monitoring. Equipped with GPS tracking, loop recording, G-sensor, and parking monitoring, this all-in-one device provides total peace of mind. Whether commuting or road tripping, the Pyle P12 Pro keeps you covered from every angle. ***, drive smarter, safer, and clearer. ***. Number 5. Introducing the Vmint 4K Rearview Mirror Camera, a cutting-edge 10-inch 4K mirror dash cam designed to elevate your driving experience. With an ultra-clear 4K front camera and a 1080p waterproof rear camera, this advanced system provides crystal-clear footage from both angles, day or night. The touchscreen mirror display offers a wide field of view, helping eliminate blind spots and enhance driving safety. Featuring voice control, you can operate key functions hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. The 24-hour parking monitor and G-sensor ensure your vehicle is protected around the clock by automatically recording any impact or motion. Enjoy smooth loop recording, easy installation, and a user-friendly interface that makes reviewing footage effortless. Whether you're commuting or on a road trip, the Vmint Dashcam captures every detail with exceptional clarity. Perfect for added security, insurance claims, or peace of mind, the Vemint 4K Mirror Dashcam is your reliable co-pilot on every journey. Drive smarter, safer, and with confidence.